Welcome everyone, my name is Sumedha. Today we are going to do a 15 minutes yin practice. This is a very calming practice to soothe up the nervous system and calms the anxiety or stress sometimes we accumulate. What we need in today's class is a bolster. If you don't have the bolster, please grab the pillows and the blocks. If the blocks are not there, the stack of big books are great. Let's come into a sitting position. I love to sit onto a block here. And if possible, the heels and heels in one line. When the heels and heels in one line, the knees are bit down, the hips are just bit up than the knees. The spine tends to be a little bit more straight. Let you relax your shoulders. Let you relax the back of your eyes, your skin, your lips, and your thoughts. Focusing on your breath. Let the calming breath happens through your awareness. Longer inhalation and deeper inhalation and longer exhalations. Dropping your right ear to the right side of the shoulder. Sending the neck back, sway side to side. And to the left. Chin down towards the chest. From here, please take that block out if you are having that block. Chin is still slightly towards the chest. Bring your legs forward into soles of your feet together into a butterfly position and choose to softly come down. You may choose to stay here. You may choose to have some bolster and a block in front of you for the softer practice and make your way to come down. Feel your knees coming, dropping down. Focusing on the breath, calming your nervous system. Try not to engage in any of your thoughts. Feel the lower back. Couple more breaths here. And on your next breath, slowly make your way to come back up. Please have the block forward, the bolster forward, and we are straightening our legs this time, bringing our legs straight, kind of a seated forward fold position. So the legs are straight here. Bring the toes a bit pointed and we are coming forward fold. Choose maybe those two blocks for your forehead support and come down. Maybe two blocks on the higher edge, or maybe having a bolster and a block. Choose what resonates you in this passive, softer practice. And then make your way to come down. This time, we are breathing from the back of your legs, your hamstrings. Cheeks can be one of your sides or forehead down. Shoulders are relaxed. Coming back towards your breath, focusing on your spine, rolling it down. Maybe awareness on your lower back. Breathe from that lower back. Walking your hands back towards you and then softly come up. From here, we are coming onto the legs up towards the ceiling. So bringing your legs all the way up, lie down. If you are having your legs close towards the wall, that's also a great idea for having the legs towards the wall and straighten it up. This is a great pose for relieving that anxiety, stress, tension, the tired legs. It's a great pose after the long travel or a hike. Great for varicose veins, relieving, calming the nervous system. Great for IBS, for constipation, sleep apnea, depression. Lots and lots of benefits. Couple of more breaths. On your next breath, bring your knees, open up your knees come into the sleeping butterfly position. Hands, one hand on your heart center, the other hand on your belly. Every exhale, let the knees fall down into this Supta, sleeping butterfly position, opening your front of your thighs, the shoulders are relaxed. Where is the monkey mind going? Come back here to your heart center or towards your third or the second brain, we call it, towards the navel. Very slowly straighten up your legs. Bring both of your hands up. Bring both of your legs towards your right side. I have a block here. So we are coming into a banana kind of a shape. Both of the hands towards your right, both of the legs towards the right. Feel the stretch on the sides of your left side, on your glutes. Come back and change it to your other side. All the way towards the left. Find that stretch, find that C shape here. Again, bring your knees close towards you, hug them tight, sway a bit side to side. Relax your sacrum or massage your sacrum. Bring both of your hands towards the shoulder and twist your spine. Both of your knees towards your right. You are looking to the left. Change your sides. And then lie down in a corpse pose, Savasana. Very important asana here to relax from in and out. Come back towards your physical body, my friends. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, nodding your neck side to side. Turning towards one of your sides. And then slowly making your way to come into a comfortable sitting position. Eyes can still be closed, hands into a prayer position, Namaskara Mudra. Be chanting one Om. Take a deep breath in. Om Namah Shivaya. Rubbing your palms, placing them on towards your eyes. With a few blinks, slowly open up. Look at the palms. Give a positive energy to yourself. Lots and lots of love and healing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing your energies here with me. My name is Sumedha. See you in next video. Namaste.